Hello viewers, in this lesson we will learn about graphic design and image editing in 2D animation. We will use graphic design and photo manipulation technique to design and manipulate any photograph to look like digital art, which you can use for background or any props in 2D animation. We will use GIMP and pixel art to enhance an image to look like a digital art.
On welcome screen of Pixel Editor, create a new image, set your height and width and set the project name. Then go to the file open an image and click OK. Now image will open in a new tab. Press Ctrl A, then Ctrl C and Ctrl V and paste a new tab. Then go to edit and free transform. Now you can manipulate your image using move, scale and rotate. Now we are adjusting our image to fit work area. Scale it until it fits the work area and then press enter. Use pencil tool to create different types of stroke. You can choose different types of shading from tool option bar. Left click and drag on the work area to paint. Now choose color from color palette and click on brush tool. You can sketch using brush and you can change brush presets from option toolbar. You can adjust size, opacity and softness of the brush. As you can see, different types of brush style gives different types of stroke. Like less opacity brush gives faded type effect. You can also erase the brush paint by using eraser tool. Now click on gradient tool. You can use predefined presets to enhance the picture. Left click and drag to shade your gradient angle. You can adjust the blending options as well as opacity from the layer options. Now we are matching the blending options that fit our scene. There are different types of gradient options like radial, repeat and pad. Use free transform tool to move and adjust the gradient according to the scene required. Use spot healing brush to remove unwanted objects in the scene. Use pinch and pull tool to add effects to the ground. Use text tool for typing and choosing your desired font, color and size of the text. You have to rasterize the text before using transform tool in order to manipulate the text. Right click on the text and click on rasterize layer. After using rasterize, you can move, scale and rotate the text as per desired design. Click on the image background and use adjustments such as brightness and contrast for color correction as per desired. Now we are using hue and saturation option for the tint in image. Use the color balance to control red, green and blue tint of an image. Now you can save your image in required output format. In this image, as you can see, it has a cloudy weather. We will now try to enhance the picture so that it transforms differently from the current image. Firstly, choose color balance and adjust different shades such as cyan, magenta and yellow. Then choose hue and saturation to adjust different color labels. On the hue and saturation menu, you can control overall color using the master button or clicking on the preset colors and control its hue, saturation and light in the scene. We can choose colorize options to produce a color filter type effect. Use brightness and contrast to enhance brightness and contrast of the picture. Threshold option converts an image into single channel color, that is black and white. Color label adjusts the black and white value in an image. Color curves is used to balance the tone between the colors. On the topmost right corner there is white point and the bottommost left corner is the black point of an image. The middle area is the gray point of the image. Let's use lens flare option to create an artificial sun. You can try different light effects to check if it fits the scene. Like we are using supernova light filter and we are checking if it blends with the scene. In such a way, more light and shadow effects can be added under the light and shadow menu. You can create shadows for any type of shapes you have created. Now use shadow options for an ellipse section. You can move your shape and shadow independently. Now we are creating shadow effect using script foo effect. Now type your message using text tool. You can creatively use these effects also for many other purposes such as magazine covers, catalogs, posters, etc. Let's check some of the filters and its effects like noise, lens distortion and blinds. You can completely transform an image using emboss option under distort menu. We can toggle the setting to give an appearance of an comic image.
Use those tools to explore your creativity. You can utilize different types of tools and techniques in the software to showcase your creativity. Thank you.